I did the vine, but do it for the vine.
Monster Energy. We've all got really nice drinks, even the water looks nicer than this.
This one is healthier.
It's in a
And
bottle.
I've never drunk water just by itself,
Really?
even as a child.
Really?
When I was in primary school, I got
It's spring, mate. You forgot my fucking monster, man.
zooming into his crop.
I'll sing whatever I want, Vinny. Golfer.
Who's husband?
Oh yeah.
He knows me. He knows me inside. I'm completely twisted now. He said he knows me inside.
So today's just me,
Have you even started?
Tyler.
Yeah, you waste me.
and what's your name? Jamie. And Jamie going to Tesco's. So yeah, let's see. Oi lads, walking without us. That's inappropriate. And Ollie, you're walking without sticks. Does £5 help there? So Ollie, £5 help you and saved your life.
You're not even
I
fucking
know it's
crippled.
£10 and you get fine.
He just wanted a lift pass.
Jeez.
You get there. You get there.
Sorry, watch now.
Why didn't you grab it? That's Ollie's new whip. Ollie, are you struggling?
Discord yesterday.
Yeah. I put that weird fucking video in it.
I didn't see it.
It's a midget, not a child.
Can you do the Running Man challenge?
Nah.
Why not?
Can you do it? Do it for your own vlog.
Oh, he's like that.
Okay, thanks. What the? Oh my days, that
For your
was.
own vlog.
They call me Pavarotti. And like a.
You're not in the fucking Hunger Games.
What?
Not in the Hunger Games.
We're in a tunnel. Innit?
What?
We're in a tunnel, innit?
Yeah, you're in a tunnel, not the Hunger Games.
Still. Oi, we're gonna. Well, lads, we're gonna die. Car park. So there. Fire alarm! Nice.